Welcome back to RYF AI Educational Channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. We always bring great and new innovations and updates about AI where we explore the latest and greatest in electric vehicle technology. Thanks. Today we've got a thrilling face-off between two of the most talked about electric sedans on the market, the Tesla Model S Plaid and the Lucid Air Dream. Buckle up as we dive into this ultimate EV showdown to see which car takes the crown for speed, technology, and overall performance. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our future content. Now let's talk performance. The Model S Plaid has shattered records with its ability to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 2 seconds. But the Lucid Air isn't far behind, offering a slightly longer range with a focus on a smooth, luxurious ride. We took both cars to the track to see how they perform in real-world conditions. Both Tesla and Lucid have pushed the boundaries of what's possible with in-car technology. The Model S Plaid features Tesla's latest autopilot system, while the Lucid Air comes equipped with its state-of-the-art Dream Drive. Additionally, each car offers a unique approach to driver and passenger comfort, with cutting-edge infotainment systems and more. When it comes to price, both cars are premium models, but they offer different value propositions. The Tesla Model S Plaid comes in at a starting price of around $130,000, while the Lucid Air Dream starts at approximately $170,000. We'll break down what each price tag brings to potential owners. So, which car do you think wins today's showdown? Is it the speed and innovation of the Tesla Model S Plaid, or the luxury and efficiency of the Lucid Air Dream? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this comparison, give us a like, comment, share this video, and subscribe for more exciting car reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching RYF AI Educational Channel. Until next time, keep charging ahead in the world of electric vehicles.